Well, hello, YouTubers. It's been a long time. Long await my famous, I'm gonna call it glorious mac and cheese. Oh my God, it's so wonderful. So today I'm gonna show you how my mom cooked the mac and cheese. Okay, here you go. We first have, you have to have one stick of butter, sour cream. I bought 16 ounces because I'm doing a big amount. And I get this macaroni. I like this one. 1 can of Carnation. And I use the Ragu 4 cheeses and salt and pepper. And let's start making it. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is put everything in a big bowl like this. Let me get my spatula. Just a second. Oh, shucks. Okay, this is good. My spatula. Put this in a big bowl. It's a lot. I cook a lot this time because my son, he ate it off. And I cooked a small pan, and I didn't even get none. I was so disappointed. Then I put a stick of butter in there, and I just let it melt. Break it all up, and I just let it melt in there. And the noodles is hot. I cook the noodles for 7 minutes. I don't let it cook. I don't let it get too soft. 7 minutes is enough because you're gonna bake it. And you can see the steam from it. I hope you can see the smoke. I'm just gonna stir all that in there. Stir it in there. Okay, there you go. Melt this till the butter is melted. Melted. And I'm gonna add the sour cream. It's melting. Get the sour cream. See the sour cream? Use 16 ounces. Okay, I'm gonna pour that all inside. And I'm gonna mix it well. Just gonna mix it well. And you're gonna mix it well. Just take your time and mix it all in. Oh, it sounds good. Oh, yeah, this is looking good. You're gonna mix it very well. When all the sour cream is mixed in, everything should be coated with the sour cream, okay? And this is really coated. Yeah, it's nice. Check that out. See, it's coated. Some of it I still have to make sure it's all coated. Okay, now I'm gonna set this down. Now we're gonna do the 4 cheeses in there. Push this back, yeah. Okay. This is the 4 cheeses. I use Ragu 4 cheeses. Everything is gonna be listed, okay? And I think I'm gonna use two jars. Because last time I used 1, and I just pour all that inside. May add a little water to this just to get it all out. And then shake. Got another one. I'm adding 2 of them. Oh, I forgot to show you my cheese. And you're just gonna mix it all in well. Oh my God, my son ate the whole thing. My daughter didn't even get none, so I wanted to do some more so she can taste it. Just mixing well. Got this recipe from my auntie, Sandra. I'm cooking this for my mom. Mom's not here, but There's dementia. She's going through that. That's not an easy thing, dementia. I wish that on nobody. Okay, now it's all mixed well. As you can see the colors? Mix well. I'm gonna just add salt and pepper to taste. The salt. I like the salt. See? Okay. And grind some pepper in there. Grind some pepper. You know what? Oh, I forgot the most important ingredient. Sorry. Wait, no, not yet. It's still good. I'm still good. Coronation cream. 1 can. And I'm gonna stir all that inside. Mix it well. I'm just gonna mix it well. Yep. Nice, mix in there well, really well. It's gonna be a nice one. Pepper to taste. Now, I'm gonna shred some mozzarella cheese and Tillman. This is my favorite cheese. Medium cheddar cheese. Okay, let me grate that and then I'll be ready. Okay, now we're gonna get going with dividing, putting in the bowl. I have shredded the Tillman mild cheddar and then the mozzarella. Now I'm just gonna put a few in of each. Okay, I want you to see this. This is important. Okay, as I'm stirring, I'm just gonna, actually as I layer my dish, I'm gonna go ahead and put the butter around here in the dish. Okay, let me just make this. That's the dogs outside, okay. I got my glass, and I'm just gonna butter it real good. I mean, real sloppy butter. All on the bottom. Sloppy butter. And I'm gonna layer it with cheese. I'm gonna pour some in at the bottom, then pour cheese on top. So watch this. Push this back some so you can see everything. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of this. I'm gonna layer it. Oh God, it's heavy. I'm gonna layer it. Fill the bottom of the pan. Just a little. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put that on the side. And I'm gonna layer this pan as I put it in. Watch this. I'm layering it. Okay, I'm gonna push this. Wait. My hands are dirty. I mean, not dirty, but okay, now I'm layering it. I'm gonna sprinkle some cheese. Do the cheddar first. And do the mozzarella. This is how I normally do it. And I put another layer. Most of it has some left over. See, this is getting full. Now I'm gonna layer this with cheese. Yeah. Now I'm gonna layer mozzarella. sprinkle all around. Make sure to get all around, and I do the cheddar. Now you finish doing that. Coat it really nice, because this is going to be your topping. This is the last. Yeah, you're good. Do a mixture. Okay, now that should be enough. That's gonna be enough. Now, here you go. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put our oven. Okay, first let me tell you what I use so you can remember. These the macaroni I use. I like this one because it's not like the regular mac and cheese. It's not that soft. And I boil the water first. Once the water come to a boil, I just pour them all in and I let it boil for 7 minutes only. Then we got the sour cream. Sour cream, 16 ounce, because this is I use all of this. This is 2 pounds of macaroni. Yeah. And 1 can of Carination Milk. This is my favorite cheese, Tillman cheese. And 1 stick of butter. When you pour it in there, and I use another, like just a half that I had in the fridge to coat the pan. And then the mozzarella, and that's it. So now we need to turn on the oven to 350. Now what we just want to do is on 350. Let's heat it. What we want to do, we just want to because it's basically almost like cooked already. So I just want to get the cheese to melt on top and in the middle where I did my layers. Okay, so I'm gonna place it in the oven. Let me see if I can hold this and do this. Okay, let me just pause. Okay, now it's in the oven. It's in the oven, and I'm just gonna let it cook. I'm gonna time it, close it, put the timer on. So I'm gonna just time it for 20 minutes. Timer, 20 minutes. Because remember, it's already cooked, 20 minutes. And this is nice. Oh, you can hear it. Oh, hear the butter. Oh my God, let me take that top rack off. Okay, and I have more left over. And what I just do, I put the rest of the cheese in there, and I put this in the freezer, and I just mix it in. And I'm gonna put this in a container in the freezer. So when that runs out, the kids have more. See? Cheese. So when they get ready to eat this one, after they finish eating that one, this will be in a container in the freezer. And then when they want it, I just put in those individual trays. Let me show you. If I have some. Oh, I have some. I'm coming. Here we go. It's mine. Oh, let's see. Yeah. Okay. I put in individual pans like this. And I just stack it in the freezer because they are like going crazy over this mac and cheese. Just take a container, close it up. And this is I'm gonna just set in the freezer like that. So I probably could make like 4 more of those. So I'm gonna do that while we wait for the macaroni and cheese to get cooked all the way. And I'll show you the results. Okay, it's old school Missy. Oh, and I'm gonna be cooking bell peppers. So get ready because I'm doing that after this. All right. Okay, here's a good look. We got 4 minutes left, and I think I'm gonna just put it on boil because I just want the cheese to get brown at the top, like it looks beautiful. But this is really nice. Oh, it looks so juicy. Okay, let me put it on boil for the rest of the minutes. Boil. And that's just gonna be, this is 4 minutes left. 4 minutes, 4:18. So I'm just let it brown. What's that brown? It's gonna be done. Look at that, let's wait a little longer. Okay, here we go. Look at this mac and cheese. OMG, it's like bubbling. Let me turn it off. You can hear it. Hear it? Oh my God, I gotta hurry up and take it out. Okay, just a second. Okay, here is the famous mac and cheese. OMG, this look beautiful. Wow, look at that. Look at the size of it. Oh my God, this is good. I gotta take a picture of this. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link everything I used below. And feel free to have any questions or whatever. But this is my Nanny Sandra's mac and cheese. I say my mama's, but I want to cook it for my mom. So yeah, she loved mac and cheese, but this one she never tastes, but this is the bomb. Thank you. Like and subscribe, please. I'll be putting out some more videos. I think I'm gonna do bell peppers right now because my daughter wants some. All right, take care. Bye, YouTube family.